All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today, we're talking about Bitcoin Gold. So we're going to be talking about Bitcoin Gold, and then we're going to be digging into mining the Bitcoin Gold. Because there's a lot of differences. Mining the Bitcoin, you have to have the big ASIC miners, and mining Bitcoin Gold, you can just use GPUs, which is kind of interesting. So for anybody who's looking to get into mining, Bitcoin Gold could be for you. If you're an investor, Bitcoin Gold, as everything goes up, could also be for you. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Today, we're going to be going over Bitcoin Gold. It's going to be super exciting. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, be able to look at the charts. Is it a good investment? Is it not a good investment? Should you hold it? Should you not hold it? Should you stake it? Should you mine the coin? All kinds of good stuff going on. All our information is for educational purposes only. Let's go ahead and head over to Bitcoin Gold. Over here at Coin Market, Bitcoin Gold is ranked 101. So, I mean, it's pretty high already. It's not 3,000. It's not 6,000. It's not 500. I mean, it's ranked 101. So that's pretty awesome. So if you take a look, Bitcoin Gold, in the last 7 days, Bitcoin Gold is up about 2.5%. In the last 24 hours, it's down about 1%. So taking a look at the chart here, it looks like it's been coming down a little bit. It had a nice little dip. Now it kind of bounced back up and it's going back down a little bit. Bitcoin Gold, what's all this about? It says Bitcoin Gold was founded in 2017 to become user-friendly alternative to Bitcoin. The BTG network aims to combine the security and sturdiness of Bitcoin blockchain. The blockchain. Well, with its characteristics and opportunity and development, Bitcoin Gold enhances and extends the crypto space with blockchain closely compatible with Bitcoin, but without using resources like Bitcoin hash power or vying for the real Bitcoin title. The company aims to present a coin with the implications capacity of Bitcoin, however, expanding the opportunity to DeFi and DApp developers to use the coin. Let's go ahead and head over to Bitcoin Gold's website. All right, over here at bitcoingold.org, O-R-G, it says Bitcoin Gold for everyone and everything. So everybody's jumping up and down. They're all excited. What is Bitcoin Gold? Well, it says right here, Bitcoin Gold, BTG, is a cryptocurrency with Bitcoin fundamentals, mined on a common GPU instead of the ASIC miners. So we're going to be talking about mining this coin with GPUs. ASIC tends to monopolize the miner for a few big players, but GPU mining means anyone can mine again. Restoring the decentralized and independence, the GPU mining rewards go to individuals worldwide, instead of mostly the ASIC warehouse owners recreating networks effective that Bitcoin used to have. So Bitcoin Gold here, not the Bitcoin, but the Bitcoin Gold up here at the top right. It says, what's their ecosystem? They're in 75 different exchanges. There's 18 different wallets. There's 12 different pools that you can mine on. I mean, it's just all kinds of good stuff going on here. Bitcoin Gold. Down here at the bottom left, it's got all the different communities, the forums, the GridHub, Facebook, Twitter, Discord, Telegram, YouTube, all the different things you can join for the community. Going up to the top here, everybody's all excited. Hovering over for users, let's go for miners. All right, it says for miners, anyone can mine Bitcoin Gold with readily accessible graphic cards. Bitcoin Gold uses Equihash Bitcoin, BTG, also known as Equihash or Zhash. The version of Equihash uses more memory than the ASIC miners can muster, but it runs fine on many graphic cards. Maybe even one already in your computer. Try it and join our forum to support the like-minded community. So, you know what, guys? I mean, there's people that are mining. You know, there's people that are mining that are making $20 a day, $50 a day, $100 a day. Bitcoin itself, the big ASIC miners, I mean, they're getting sold for $20,000, $25,000, but very expensive. Graphic cards, you could probably get anywhere from $500-$600 all the way up to, I know 3090s are around 2,000 to 2,400. So if you can actually mine something and make $20 to $50, $80 a day, Bitcoin Gold may not be a bad thing to mine. Do me a favor, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. We actually mined the Ethereum, not mining the Bitcoin Gold as of right this second. We are using the GPU cards, 3090s, 3070s, and 3080s, 3090s, and 3070s. Actually went to Micro Center today, and of course, I was just passing through. They were out of everything. No truck came in today. So how do you get to GPUs? You can go to Micro Center. They have a random drawing that you have to scan your QR code. You get in line, and then let's say there's 50 GPU cards that came in, but there's 100 people in line. They're going to actually random it, and the first 50 people can buy the cards. You can obviously buy cards on eBay. You can buy cards on the internet. You can go on Amazon. There's all kinds of places that you can get cards, but they're actually, it's hard to get right this second. So it's a supply and demand thing. But you may already have a GPU card already in your computer that you're not using, or a computer downstairs that you can actually go ahead and start mining the Bitcoin Gold. So here we go, how to start mining Bitcoin Gold. It says first, read the tutorial, learn how to set up your wallet for earnings, check your hardware, get mining software to do the work of securing the blockchain. The blockchain. Okay, number 2, choose your pool. Pools distribute the workload and the earnings, allowing all the participant miners to earn a steady stream of income. So you need to join a pool. Number 3, set up your miner, use a GPU you already have, or dedicate a new hardware to mining, set up a software to talk to the pool, do the work, and earn the share. Right here it kind of says our latest list of pools, just to name a few, but you know, BTG Pool, Pro, Blocksmith, 2 Miners, Coin Blockers, MinerGate, Zhash. I mean, any of these pools, you can, Hash City, Ice Mining. So you would join one of these pools, and the pool's going to actually pay you. You know, if I click read your tutorial, a quick start guide for mining BTG. You know, again, this video is about mining, so quick start mining. You know, it's kind of a step-by-step of how to set yourself up, where to actually go. This one's on Gminer release, a developed software. It's telling you how to save your file, you know, where to save it on your computer. You want to spend some time here doing this. But again, Frank's Crypto Corner, we're bringing you another opportunity that you can mine, you know, with your GPUs that you're currently not using, and get into mining some Bitcoin, just mining Bitcoin Gold. You know, over here looking, clicking the Bitcoin logos. You know, you got a few different logos, Bitcoin Gold. You can download the brand, just kind of interesting stuff here. You know, pay with Bitcoin Gold, you know, for the people that are actually paying with cryptocurrency. You know, clicking up at the top here for users. You know, Bitcoin Gold has a broad array of partners, many which are listed below. Places to buy Bitcoin Gold, retail exchanges, places to trade the Bitcoin Gold, market exchanges, and places to hold Bitcoin Gold wallets. Make sure you sign up for updates on the new partners, softwares, and important news. So Bitcoin Gold, actually not going anywhere. Where to buy Bitcoin Gold? You know, you can buy it on Binance, you can buy it on Polkadot, you know, you can just name a few here. So, I mean, buying the Bitcoin Gold, view more. Again, here's where you can buy it. Buy it on Binance, buy it on Uphold, buy it on, can't name them all, buy it on BitBuy, buy it on Coinfield. I mean, all these different nice hash. I mean, all these different places is where you can buy a little Bitcoin Gold. The ecosystem, the following has expressed intent to support Bitcoin G. Again, Bitcoin Gold's trading at $66.25. At one time, it was over $300. When it first opened, it was over $500. It hasn't actually rallied for a long time, but it was $150, you know, back in May. So what's my prediction here? Again, all the information is for educational purposes only, but I just think anything with Bitcoin, when Bitcoin itself goes up and Bitcoin Cash goes up and all the different Bitcoins go up, Bitcoin Gold is going to go right along with it. It's not like this one's going to go up. It's kind of like they all kind of go up together. Okay, it's not like Bitcoin's going to go up and this one's going to go down. I think it's going to get back up to $150. maybe by the first quarter of next year. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. We're going to keep an eye on this. Bitcoin Cash is also big. Bitcoin Gold now. The thing I like about this video is you can actually get into mining. So if you want to make an extra $20 to $50 a day or $100 a day, obviously if you have one GPU card, you're going to make X. If you have 3 cards, you're going to make 3 times X. If you have 10 cards, you're going to make 10 times X. So you're going to have to figure this out. But this is a way you can get into mining, start mining some Bitcoin Gold and accumulating it, put it on your Binance wallet or put it wherever you went. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. We're trying to teach everybody about a little cryptocurrency, all kinds of good things going on. Bitcoin Gold, we like the Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, all kinds of things. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Click right here to see our most recent video. Share it with your friends. We bring you a video every single day, Monday through Friday, around 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays, we bring you a video around 3 or 4 o'clock. And once in a while, we bring you a bonus video Monday through Friday around 6 or 7 o'clock. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Have a fantastic day.